their student focus, just how they interact with the kids, in my opinion. It's more so, it's not just, I'm gonna teach you this and then go home. It's, I'm gonna teach you this, and also, hey, parent, and also if the kid needs or the student needs anything, let's give them something so they can achieve it outside of school as well, and to be a better person and grow later on and right where they are as well. That's crazy to me.
I love the teachers and their involvement with the parents, the students. It's like a small little community.
I feel like it's like a great school. I like it here. It's like, it just helped me learn and get my inner peace.
Basically, what we want to do is teach our scholars that they can be anybody that they want to be, but more importantly, that they're ready to be the person that they want to be, whatever that decision is in their future.
I would say it's just really safe. The kids feel really safe over here.
You can grow. You're not wasting your time here. Your parents aren't wasting their time while sending you here. This school does everything it needs to do.
You know, mostly we have 99.9% African American here. So it's right in line what I do. We all work together as a team, which is really good.
My expectations was unrealistic, to be honest with you, for everything, like for anything to do with school. And basically they brought me to reality to the point of Horizon as a school has growth potential, as well as where they are allow my son his ability to be him and grow and hold him accountable as a 12-year-old, as well as, you know, just show him that there's no ceiling. Can't speak for everybody else, but I love it. Feels like a family to me.
Horizon has its own culture that's growing right now. I can compare Horizon 5 years ago versus the Horizon now, and I can definitely tell you that it's a brand new Horizon. Things are changing, and changing for the better. I really appreciate that. If you look at our staff, you'll see that we do have a diverse community in our school. Most of our children have pretty much similar communities, but we do have children that come in from a diverse background, and we try to make sure that the children understand and learn about us. So we invite our children to ask as many questions as they can to be able to kind of like quell those curiosities that they might have in regards to diverse culture.
We have a bunch of diverse teachers here. Our staff is very diverse from different cultures and different backgrounds. So I feel like that gives the students a big variety to look from and know what to look for when they leave from school.
In Horizon Science Academy, we prepare our students for college by providing them with not only the skills that they need within their grade level, but those are basic fundamental skills that are needed within all grade levels. So by the time that they come to college, they're ready with technology, they're ready with their basic writing skills, they're ready with their reading skills, and more importantly, their critical thinking skills.
For college, we are offering robotics and coding classes here. It is called PLTW, Project the Lead Way classes. So our teachers are certified for that one. And if students start taking those classes here, they can take the next class in high school, so they can already earn credit for the class they took here. In Horizon, so we have some special programs, and it's the only our school that offers those. One of them is CYSP, so it's called Concept Young Scholars Program. So we did a great job this year. We mentored 17 scholars, and 10 of them got gold medal at the end of CYSP program. So it is the best in all concept schools.
I graduated from Horizon Science Academy 2012, and I went off to Wright State and graduated 2017. Came right back. I'm just happy to be able to have the chance to bring back what I learned over the years back to my school that I came from, and to be able to show the kids that you can come from this school and go off and be successful in life.